Cool. All right, yeah. So some people that have this quantum, you can keep it down. Have this quantum Dolphin. A lot of times, the leaves will get stopped up in here, and it won't empty or won't use the full basket. In this case, it is. Yeah, it's emptying just fine. But to do maintenance on this thing, it's recommended with just a Phillips head screwdriver. Unscrew these and get to the turbine to make sure that the little turbine is not got a bunch of hair wrapped around it. Now if you get right here, yeah, you see this grommet, this is how it sits. It's supposed to sit. And anyway, basically once you remove those two screws, you can actually pull this housing up and away, and this grommet should slide with the cord, yep, up and out, and you just pull it up and away. Anyway, and located under here is the turbine. I think this just pulls off. Yep. So yeah, this just pulls off, and we're just gonna set this right here for now, something like that. Anyway, and you want to check down inside. You can rotate this. Be careful not to rotate it too fast or too much. You can actually look down inside in the turbine and see if there's any obstructions. And sometimes there might be hair or twigs wrapped around it that prevent it from spinning freely. And there's probably a little bit more you could probably go into, but that's all I'm going into on this video. But it's clear. I'm just going to pop this back on like that, and then slide this little grommet down with this housing. Be careful not to lose the screws. And you want to tilt it downward, slide it back. It takes a little finagle, but you want to slide it back into position like so. You can get your two screws, screw them back in, and that's it with the turbine maintenance. Hope you enjoy it.